Today discuss about mathematics 2B integration part 10. Last class completed exercise 6A standard integration, exercise 6B substitution method, exercise 6C integration by parts method. Unexpected questions also be completed. Today discuss exercise 7D, 6D, 7 marks question. Total 10 methods is there. Today discuss first method of the integration. Here method 1 of integration by the 7 marks question. In this method integration in the form of integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Here method 1 integration function in the form of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Here a comma b comma c are real numbers. Must and should a not equal to 0. Here a not equal to 0, compulsory a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c are real numbers. Next here ax square plus bx plus c is a irreducible polynomial. What is the meaning of irreducible polynomial? Irreducible polynomial nothing but that the polynomial having no real roots, that polynomial cannot divide factors form, and that polynomial discriminant is less than 0, nothing but complex roots or imaginary roots. Right. Next in this form of integration, what is the working rule? Here working rule is, here ax square plus bx plus c quadratic expression can be divided to in the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. A into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square. Here this expression can be written in the a plus b whole square form. After that integrating by using substitution method, put x is equal to put t is equal to x plus alpha. Here this ax square plus bx plus c converted to a into x plus alpha square plus beta square. After that integrating by using substitution method, put x plus alpha is equal to t. After that here ax square plus bx plus c is the irreducible polynomial. Right. Next in this model, in this method, solve some problems. Here in this method integral, what is the method 1 here? Method 1 is integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c is the method 1. In this form working rule is a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta square, nothing but the coefficient of x square equal to 1. First of all, the coefficient of x square value equal to 1. Right. What is the first question? Integral 1 by 3x square plus x plus 1 into dx. First of all, given expression is 3x square plus x plus 1. First this is 1. In this equation you can take denominator expression. First step what? Here the coefficient of x square value equal to 1. Here coefficient of x square value equal to 1, then that coefficient of x square value can common. Here what is the coefficient of x square? 3. 3 is common. Total terms 3 is common. X square plus x by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 into x square 3x square. 3x by 3 nothing but x. 3 into 1 by 3 nothing but 1. After that 3 into x square plus 2ab form. A plus b whole square formula what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, or a minus b whole square a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here 2 is not there. That's why this term multiplying and dividing with 2. After that 3 into ax square nothing but a square plus 2 into a nothing but x into remaining what here? 2 into x completed. Remaining here 1 is there. Here 2 into 3 is there. 1 by 2 into 3 nothing but 6. Here a is x, b is 1 by 6. Here b square is not there. That's why this term adding and subtracting 1 by 6 square, nothing but b square. Remaining plus 1 by 3, you can write plus 1 by 3. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square, formula there. 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square, a plus b whole square. After that minus 1 by 1 square value 1, 6 square value 36 plus 1 by 3. Next 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square. These two term you can common minus. You can common minus 1 by 36 minus 1 by 3. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square minus LCM. 336 LCM is 36. 36 ones are 36. You get 1 into 1 value 1 minus 3 table how much? 36. 3 into 12 is equal 36. 12 ones are 12. Remaining what here? Remaining 3x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square minus 1 minus 12 how much? Minus 11 by 36. After that 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square minus into minus plus 11 by 36. Next one 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square. 11 by 36 can be written as square root of 11 by 6 whole square. Square root of 11 whole square value 11, 6 square value 36. This is total value 3x square plus x plus 1. This value substituted in equation 1 in place of denominator. 1 implies integral 1 by, what is the value of 3x square plus x plus 1? 3 into x plus 1 by 6 whole square plus square root of 11 by 6 whole square into dx. 1 by 3 is common. Integral 1 by x plus 1 by 6 whole square plus square root of 11 by 6 whole square. Here this x plus 1 by 6 is equal to some t variable. Put t is equal to x plus 1 by 6. Here using substitution method. T derivative dt, x derivative dx, 1 by 6 derivative 0. You get dx plus 0 nothing but dx. Write down in this equation. You get what? Write down in this equation. Write down in this equation. In 1 by 3 is common. Integral 1 by x plus 1 by 6 value what amma? T square plus square root of 11 by 6 whole square into dx nothing but dt. Here function in terms of x, integration with respect to x. Function in terms of t, integration also be with respect to t. That's why I am converted to x to t. After that integral, this total x, this one is a. X square plus a square. Integral 1 by x square plus x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. This one is the formula of integral 1 by x square plus a square. Here x is equal to t, a is equal to square root of 11 by 6. Substituted in this formula. Substitution in this formula. After that you get what? What is the formula? 1 by a. 1 by a value square root of 11 by 6. Here already 1 by 3 is common is there. 1 by 3 into 1 by a nothing square root of 11 by 6. Tan inverse of x value t by a value square root of 11 by 6. After that 1 by 3 into this denominator goes to numerator reciprocal. 6 by square root of 11 tan inverse of 6 into t, 60 by square root of 11. 3 ones are 3 twos are cancel. Remaining 2 by square root of 11 into tan inverse of 6 into, what is the value of t? T value is x plus 1 by 6 whole by square root of 11. After that 2 by square root of 11 into tan inverse of 6 into x, 6x, 6 into 1 by 6, 6 get cancelled plus 1 by square root of 11 plus c. This is the integration of 1 by 3x square plus x plus 1 into dx value what 2 by square root of 11 into tan inverse of 6x plus 1 by square root of 11. This is a method 1 7 marks question in integration. In this model today assignment problems of student today assignment problems are given 4x square minus 4x minus 7 into dx. This is first one. Second one 1 by 5 minus 2x square plus 4x into dx. This is the second one. Here in this total term x square coefficient 4 is common. After that do that similar way. Here also be minus 2x square plus 4x plus 5. Here minus 2 get common. X square minus 4x by 2 2x minus 5 by 2. Here minus 2 into x square minus 2ab 2 is there, a x is there, b is 1 here. 2 into x into 1 nothing but 2x plus b square minus b square minus 5 by 2. After that do same way of before problem. Okay, thank you.